Blitz, new from Hasbro Gaming.
Where did you get that beetle?
It's yours, kid.
Who are you?
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in West Virginia, Mineral, and the following counties, in Maryland, Garrett, and Allegheny. Winter storm warning in effect from 4 a.m. Friday to 6 a.m. Saturday. Heavy snow expected. Snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches. Winds gusting as high as 30 miles per hour. The areas affected include, in Maryland, Garrett and Allegheny counties. In West Virginia, Mineral County. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 4 a.m. Friday to 6 a.m. Saturday. Snowfall rates of 3 to 5 inches per hour possible during the late morning into afternoon on Friday. Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. Additional details, visibility may be reduced to below 1/4 mile at times in heavy snow bands. Snow will taper off late Friday night. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Persons should consider delaying all travel. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution. Consider taking a winter storm kit along with you, including such items as tire chains, booster cables, flashlight, shovel, blankets, and extra clothing. Also take water, a first aid kit, and anything else that would help you survive in case you become stranded.
Have made the Halo movement bigger than ever. And this month, we're making a note of it. Check out these awesome kids who have given their all to giving back.
Every Friday, the McLaughlin High School Key Club in Oregon packs nutritious meals for students who might not have enough to eat on the weekends.